Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. My name is Hazem Al-Momini, all the way from Abu Dhabi, and I'd like to send you an invitation to attend our upcoming IFSO Journal Club, Thursday, 10th of June, 2 p.m. Central European Time. During this Journal Club, we will have the pleasure of welcoming with us, all the way from Boston, USA, Dr. Eric Sheu, Assistant Professor of Surgery from Brigham and Women's Hospital, Harvard Medical School. Dr. Sheu would be sharing with us his experience and recent manuscript published in Obesity Surgery Journals, talking about the impact of bariatric surgery on endometrial cancer tumor pathology. Dr. Sheu, why should our IFSO members join us in this upcoming webinar?
Well, thank you very much for the invitation. I'm very excited to present our paper and our findings with you. I think all members should join because the growing indications for bariatric surgery for both cancer prevention and for changing cancer outcomes, I think is going to be a huge area of growth in the future, I think both clinically and for research. And this paper is our initial attempt to explore, how surgery affects outcomes from endometrial cancer in patients.
Great. So moving away from the research side and going to the clinical side, how would you believe that this publication of yours would impact our day-to-day practice as physicians, nurses, and dietitians who look after individuals suffering with obesity?
Yeah, so endometrial cancer is a very common cancer, and it's highly affected by obesity. And in fact, treating obesity is a strategy for improving endometrial cancer separate from bariatric surgery. And there are growing trials both at our hospital and abroad exploring whether having surgery concomitantly with endometrial cancer diagnosis and treatment, or even before it, can influence the outcomes from cancer and improve health overall. So I think attend the Journal Club to learn a little bit about the data that may or may not support that, and a little bit about what opportunities there are to expand that as part of your practice abroad.
Fantastic. Well, to be honest, sounds very interesting. We're not going to go much into the details. We'll leave you to share the whole experience, the whole knowledge in the webinar. So to all of you there watching us, listening to us, please be there. June 10th, 2 p.m. Central European Time, IFSO Journal Club. See you then. Bye-bye.